parked in the bus stop. Undertaking, mate, that's not very wise like that. Why are you hiding your number plate? I've got it already on the camera, too late. You know you're doing wrong, that's why you hide it. Is it even a real number plate? Goodbye. Another one. Look where he stopped.
I agree with him.
You agree with him?
Yeah, I agree with him. I don't think it's your right.
It's my right. What's wrong with you?
You're the numpty. Is that your bag?
I'm gonna. He's covering his plate up again. Call the police, man. If you don't like it, call the police. No, you can't call the police, can you?
No, I can't. I call my boss. He's gonna pay the ticket, not me. He's told me to stay here, you know. So
it's not good, man.
Yeah.
Look what you've done. You made it dangerous for the people here.
But this is in the red color card.
Oh, I'll show you in a second. You know, I'm just back from court. A cab driver.
I know who you are.
Me also.
Thank you, sir.
It's nice to meet you.
Likewise. I won't put your stuff on. This offends me because, you know, pedestrians in the bus are like the most important.
Can you put this one on YouTube?
For sure.
I want to see myself.
You won't get in trouble for getting out, will you?
Oh no.
As long as you're okay. You can see, you know this one?
Who am I looking under?
CyclingMikey.
Oh yeah, put me on.
So,
Mikey, but put all the good bits on as well.
all right, mate. Have a good day.
What's gonna happen next?
You're going to have to wait and see. If they're going to prosecute you, you have to wait 2 weeks.
For what?
Do you know where I've just come from? The court. That's why I'm dressed nicely. Do you know why I went to court?
Okay.
Someone on his phone while driving. It's bad news, man. Look, I understand you want a short distance to walk, right?
Yeah, that's
But
funny loads.
you can't park in a bus stop, man. Think about what you're doing to the bus passengers coming out here.
Yeah, I know.
I don't hate you.
I know.
The behavior is what's wrong. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Anyway, relax and have a good day. But don't do it again, please.
No, no, of course not. Everything because of my manager, my boss. Oh, look, I stayed there,
But your boss can't tell you to do illegal stuff, right? Unless you, you will get the ticket.
Yeah.
You will,
Yeah, I
because your
shouldn't-
boss is going to say your name on the police ticket,
Yeah.
and then if you don't say it's me, you're going to go to court, And he'll say, I didn't tell him to do that, and you're going to get the 6 points.
Yeah, because I'm the responsibility of this. Yeah. Alright.
I'm sorry, you know, if you'd parked somewhere else, maybe you'd be okay, but on the bus stop, it's really bad.
Really bad. I know.
Everyone parks, no one cares. But I care.
Yeah, you care. I know.
Anyway, you have a good day.
Yeah, you
I
too.
don't hate you, but please don't do that, man.
Yeah, but the ticket's gonna come, yeah?
You have to wait. You got 2 weeks of worrying now.
Oh, okay.
Because they might decide to do nothing,
Okay.
but it takes them 2 weeks. They have to write you within 2 weeks.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm gonna let them know anyway.
No problem.
Alright, thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Yeah. But early morning start, rain.
Me too.
Yeah.
Me too. He won't get any points. I don't think they'll even prosecute him. But I would consider that parking in a dangerous position just because it's in the bus stop. Not allowed to do that, my friend. I will be reporting it. Lit up tablet. Presumably some sort of delivery driver. If you park there, oh, he's parked. LM66OHV, a 314 Sprinter. We will briefly stop here to make sure the police officer hasn't even noticed, right? So we'll pull on to pavement off. Yeah, he's still waiting. His passenger got out, presumably to collect postal stuff. Okay, done. That's enough. He's been there for quite a period of time. He's not waiting at the lights. So he's stopping actually on the crossing. Why would you do that? GM21VVD. Stupid cyclist going through. I didn't even see anyone get out of his car.